So, the entire chapter dedicated to the vindication of narrative art is not just a worthy endeavor, but a necessary one.
You have the worst British accent.
Well, it just wiped some of the rot away from my heart. Caroline, I knew I loved you when you said you liked watching the Yankees with me during their 2017 playoff run. I knew I loved you when you told me not too long after that you didn't really like baseball.
I promise to always remind you how much I love you. And when you ask, did I tell you how much I love you today? I will always say no. Not because you haven't, but because I always want to hear it once more.
Love you.
Together, the Wonder Women of country call back to an era when country music rooted its identity in the story.
The exact same.